Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, The Rich Post. Myself Ajay and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you the demo custom fields that I've added in OJS. So friends, before showing you working demo, I must say, please watch the video till the end, and if you will have any kind of queries, session requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog, therichposts.com contact us page. In this page, you will get my email ID, WhatsApp number, and Upwork ID as well. And also, you will get multiple free templates for Bootstrap 5, OJS, Vue.js, Laravel, Angular, Next.js, React.js, and so on. And here's a demo for OJS custom field. This is the submission form, and there is one custom field that I have added. See, the custom details, university. And friends, also after it, I will save this detail and show you in review section as well. So till then, this is it for today, and I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.